Alright. So we're going to make the liquid first. Liquids.
Yes.
Okay, what ingredients?
You need, you've got to make the broth.
Yes.
So put those 2 cubes.
2 cubes in here?
No, in the yeah. And I've just boiled the water.
Did you boil the water?
Yes, I've boiled it.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll turn it off while you're doing that.
Ow!
Oh shit, it's still going. Why won't it stop?
Oh, it's probably you. You on video?
Yes, it's on video.
Okay.
So just put 2 cups of water.
2 cups.
Yeah, fill it up. Fill the jug up.
Oh, but here, right?
Yeah. Yeah, just fill the jug up. Don't burn yourself. Yeah. Is that 2 cups?
Yeah.
Okay, well, give it a stir with the whisk.
With the whisk. Remind me of my sick voice. With the whisk. Pardon me. Oh, that was about Wow. That was about Yep.
All mixed. When it's all mixed, just empty it in the bowl.
Okay.
Just be careful you don't spill any.
Yeah, I've got a stop spilling going on.
Okay, now the red wine, a cup.
Oh, we're using the sherry?
Yes, that, or cooking, it's cooking. So just 1 cup, so
1 cup?
yeah.
In here?
Yes. So where's the cup? So down to there. Okay.
What?
Okay, now empty it into there.
I mean, I'm going to be pissed.
No, it doesn't say that. It says the it evaporates. Tomato paste. Yeah, 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons?
Yeah, so get the silver one.
Whoop.
Yep. Another one.
Oh, bugging me.
Right, hang on. You need 2 teaspoons
Of what?
of Worcester sauce. So you have to get out of. Oh yeah. Okay. Yep.
That one there?
Yes. Good
That-
girl.
That one?
Yes. So 2 teaspoons.
Yeah. Hate being sick. Don't. 1?
Yep.
No one?
Yes. Okay. Okay. Now give it a stir with the spoon. Not too fast. And then get the you can whisk it if you want. Okay, so that's the broth or the sauce for the. So she's cutting up the onion.
Well, someone was saying, oh, I don't want to do it that way. So I'm dangerous with a fucking knife. I was going to do that ladies' way, cut the ends and then do it.
Oh.
But I'm dangerous with a knife, so. don't think that thing's going.
Okay, now put the onion in the... Now, yeah, put the onion... Oops. Yep. Okay, now put your 4 teaspoons of garlic.
Garlic?
Yeah.
What one?
Teaspoon.
The big one?
No. That one, right? Yes.
4?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. 2, 3. One more?
Yes.
So we do.
Now cut your carrot.
Yep. The carrot, bye-bye. Carrot's going bye-byes.
Now you're ready to do the meat.
Yep.
Right?
For the beef stew.
Yeah, well, no, you need to sprinkle it with, no, sprinkle the meat with salt and pepper first.
Oh man. Okay. Piss off. Salt.
Yep. Okay, turn it over and do the other side.
Ew! Ew!
Okay, now heat up. You need a
Oil the pan first.
yeah, 1.5 tablespoons of oil.
Oh, fuck's sakes. Oh my gosh. Oh, there you go. Needs to be cleaned.
No, it's already been cleaned. Okay, that's enough. Heat it up. More professional. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Yeah, well, you need to get something to cook them for 4 minutes so they're all brown. Okay. Now put it in the bowl. You put it on the board.
Yeah, so we've still got plenty of oil.
Okay, that's all right. You can just put it on the...
Ow!
Okay, come on. Now put that back. Okay, now get the onion and yeah. Hang on. Okay. Ray's heading to the office. Oh, okay. We'll just tell him. There's the carrot. It's not. Get a third of flour. Not too, just, yeah. Level it, no, take some more, yeah. Yeah.
Mind my fingers.
Well, yeah, I thought there was a spoon. Okay, just sprinkle a little bit on that. Yeah, you need all, yeah, just sprinkle it all, yeah.
All of that?
Yes, and then just, yeah. Okay.
Sorry. Oh.
Okay, then stir it. Stir that all around. Coat all the carrots and onions and everything. Okay, everything now. Okay. Now get the broth. Oh, hang on. Now get the broth.
The broth? The broth.
Okay. And just add it to that slowly.
Oop. I'll just shuffle.
Okay, give it a stir. Okay. So everything's all. Okay, so that's all stirring up.
Yeah.
Okay, now get the meat. Yep. Get the meat.
And shove it in there?
Yes, shove it in there. Ooh.
Let it mess
Okay, now stir it. Stir it all up. And then when it gets to the boil, we can empty it into the crock pot.
Yeah, I'll just get this up change.
And then I'm going to empty it into your crock pot. I need to do that.
What?
You want me to empty it in? Oops.
Yep.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Okay,
here we go. I think this might be too heavy for you.
yeah, that's why.
Oopsie daisy.
Yeah, that's a look. Yeah. Should have used the splat because you're gonna let scratches on the things. Yeah. So how long are we gonna give it for?
Just put it on low.
Yeah.
We'll put it on low.
Yeah. Yeah. See. Okay. Good. So turn it on.
Low.
Yeah, got it.
Okay, well there we go.
For how long?
Well, just a couple of hours, but by the time we go to...
Yeah.
Now cut up the potatoes.
How?
Well, just small, yeah, small,
Like that?
yep. To you.
Ah, I don't want to talk to him. Sometimes it gets unmature if I'm not talking to him. He gets a bit, I don't want to talk to you.
Okay, now put it in the
Yep. Well, this is the ending of to make beef stew. You guys want this recipe? The link down in the description bar below. If Ronnie is out, subscribe, put the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye.
Okay.